three accused in the TRS MLA poaching case have been released by the police now. That's the big update coming in following the ACB court orders. We have that news now because according to the court, very important, listen carefully, that there is no sufficient evidence that prove corruption or bribe in this case. So we'll try and get you the latest coming in on this big story. Take a look on your screens. Remember, this was the farmhouse where Cyberabad police had taken into arrest 3 people. The TRS MLAs had accused that they were from the BJP or closely associated with the BJP and that they were trying to poach them, offer them money and more. Now, they have been, for now, in lack of sufficient evidence, have been released by the court. The court has said that there is no sufficient evidence to prove there was corruption or bribe in this case, that mainly there was no cash amount that was seized. Alright, so the 3 accused in the TRS MLA poaching case, allegations, remember, for which the TRS MLA ensured an FIR was filed. Serious allegations that I was offered not only 100 crore rupees bribe, if I get more people, there'll be 50 crore rupees bribe. If I manage to topple the government, I will then be in the new government and have contracts that could be worth crores of rupees. All of that was offered to me, but Cyberabad police then raided the site. 3 people were taken into arrest but have now been released. Let's go across to my colleague Apurva on this. Apurva, clearly a vindication for the ones who were taken into arrest for the court to say that there is no sufficient evidence.
That's right, definitely, because, day before yesterday, since, the incident had taken place at the farmhouse, there had been several allegations that had been tossed around between the TRS and the BJP. And yesterday, after these 3 people who had been arrested were produced before the special ACB court, in fact, the judge there said that there wasn't enough substantial evidence that had been provided and that there wasn't due process that was followed by the Cyberabad police. In fact, not only this, he had also rejected the remand request that had been put in as well. The court has also ordered that the police complete with the due process, that is the filing of the 41 CRPC notice that is to be issued for the alleged 3 people who had been arrested, who had been involved in alleged poaching of the TRS MLAs, the 4 TRS MLAs, and also said that in case they do want to proceed ahead and file a case, then they have to do it due process, issue a 41 CRPC notice to these 3 who have been arrested.
Question
and
that is, Apurva, while these men have now been brought out, will it end the TRS BJP war? What that had been throughout, because now the BJP will also jump in. It will attack the TRS right back, saying, well, why were you accusing us and what?
That's right, because this comes as a major setback for the TRS FVC, because just hours after the TRS had made allegations that these 3 men were linked to the BJP and that they had allegedly attempted to poach their MLAs, that is the TRS MLAs, into BJP. In fact, one of those MLAs, Pilot Rohit Reddy, had also in that FIR complaint that he had given, stated that it was the BJP that had offered almost over rupees 100 crores of cash as well as additional 50 crores for every other member from the TRS who was brought in for joining the BJP as well. That was what he had given in the written statement in the FIR. And now with the 3 accused who have been released, the remand for them has been rejected by the ACB court. The BJP, they are also going on to state that their claims of asserting that the TRS has been, had completely put up this sketch is in fact true. They also go on to state that these 3 people who have been released as well were in fact released at the behest of TRS. That is what the BJP alleges, saying that it is to look like this is an entire skit. That is the 4 TRS MLAs as well as the 3 who have been arrested. All of them, the 3 have been released to ensure that the entire plot that has been sketched by Telangana Chief Minister and TRS Chief, that is K. Chandrasekhar Rao.
Apurva, keep tracking the latest on that. This is huge. Remember, it was throughout the day yesterday when the TRS was all guns blazing, alleging BJP is trying to poach them. 3 people were arrested from this farmhouse where the Cyberabad police had raided. But the court is now saying there is no sufficient evidence to prove. Release them. All 3 have now been going to move out from the prison. Thank you so much, Apurva, for the latest on that.